Welcome to Sydney when the time is 3:45. If your mobile phone is handy, you may now turn it on. Please be careful when opening overhead lockers, as your luggage may have moved during our flight and it could fall out. When you disembark, you will be leaving through the forward left-hand side door. Before you leave, remember to check your seat and seat pocket for any personal items. Smoking is not permitted whilst you are disembarking and also throughout the airport terminal. If you do have luggage to collect today, it will be available from baggage carousel number 4 on the ground floor level. If you are transferring to another Qantas domestic flight, please check the TV monitors in this terminal for details of your next departure. If you are transferring to a Jetstar domestic flight, you will need to collect your luggage and make your way across to terminal number 2. If you are transferring to an international flight today, please proceed to the International Transfer Lounge at Gate 15 in this terminal. And we do ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we have reached the terminal, come to a complete stop, and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign.